I appreciate you clicking on this episode of Bladerunner Tool Sharpenings Before and After. I was at a bakery and they said, can you do our bread slicers? And I go, okay, well, there are all kinds of different bread slicers. What are you talking about? Well, they've got this big machine and they've got all these little blades in them. So each slice has a blade. There's 32 blades in this bad boy. I do have my work cut out for me, especially seeing how they're very similar to that bagel slicer, that big 14-inch round bagel slicer I showed you a few months back. These are all serrated, and they're double serrated. So they do consume a lot of time. I can do them. I'll get them super sharp for them, and I'll show you my results when I return. Welcome back to this episode of Bladerunner Tool Sharpenings Before and After. Those 32 bread slicing blades that I was doing, I finished them. They were a lot of work. As I told you before, they're double serrated. So I had to hand do each and every one of these on 32 9-inch blades. A lot of work, a lot of patience, and my back hurts. And that's what makes the world go round here at Bladerunner Tool Sharpenings Before and After. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hey, like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, with Bladerunner, there's never a dull moment.